Hi everyone, I'm Bill. Nancy's behind the camera. And today we're going to talk about the new Power WatchDog. Yeah, this is the PWD 50-EPO, the emergency power cutoff. So we're in a lot of different parks that have a lot of different power issues. We've tried cheap power surge protectors, even though we've advised people don't do that. You know, when I say cheap, I'm saying $50. I know it has a cell phone app that lets you know how much power you're pulling and lets you know if there's any error codes. And also, if you don't have a cell phone on this one, there is a indicator light right here. And this indicator light will come up with a number that will match one of these error codes and let you know what's wrong with the power. The WatchDog, Power WatchDog, and the model number is on the side over here. It is a model number PWD 50-EPO. It's designed to plug into the park power pole. We did buy another one of these that you actually had to put inline, which means you had to cut it. That was a mistake on my part. I'm not about to cut a 50 amp power cord and splice a surge protector in inline. This just goes on the pole. It's got a, I believe it has a loop right here that you can use to secure it with a bike lock or something so it doesn't get stolen. And we're about to go take the other one back, but I'm going to go ahead and install this, and I will get back to you and let you know what's going on. Okay, the box is nicely velcroed shut. You can open it up and see your surge protector. There it is. We're actually using 30 amp here. I didn't know this, but both our ACs work with 30 amp for some reason. Turn anything else on, it's going to blow a fuse on the pole. What's in here? Very simple. This is a surge protector and the instruction manual. So this thing is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. That face lights up, that dog face lights up white if everything's okay on the pole and red if there isn't. And if it does turn red, there'll be an error code here, and it will also Bluetooth the signal to your cell phone to let you know that there is a problem and what the problem is with your power. But it also, this one is an EPO, emergency power off. So this one will shut the power off before damage is done to our RV. We are going to be running this with a 30 amp adapter, which is fine. I've looked at many other YouTube channels and I've looked at their specs, and you can run the adapter into this and then run the adapter into the pole. And it's a whole lot better than not having any surge protector. Okay, I think everyone that has an RV or has bought one has been told, at least by the dealership, that you should get a surge protector. You'd love to think that all the parks you go to all over the country, both 5-star down to whatever star, that they care about you enough to make sure their power poles are maintained. We had a regular surge protector which got fried at, what park was that?
Lake Medina.
At Lake Medina. It fried the surge protector, it fried the power leading into the RV, and it burned the cable, 50 amp cable going from the pole to the RV. Thank God it didn't do any permanent damage to the inside that we know of. This was a while back. So we decided to upgrade the surge protector to one that has little lights on it that blink and tell you everything's okay. You plug it into the pole, you verify that the power is in the green. Means the ground is good, the power flow is good as it can be without tripping the surge protector. And then after that, you turn the power back off, plug your RV into the surge protector, turn the power back on, you should be golden. It's not 100% foolproof. There is something called a surge, which can damage your circuits, but there's also something called a dip. The power drops too low. When you do buy an RV, you want to take care of your electrical system. That's going to be, that's the difference between trashing your RV. Getting all your wires repaired in your RV can be more expensive than the RV, depending on the RV. So you want something like this. It doesn't have to be this expensive, but you can buy you need to have some sort of decent surge protector. And this one really wasn't that bad. The prices have come down on these. This wasn't even $300. And a lot of people, that's $300 is a lot of money, but I've got a lot of equipment for my voiceover business in this RV, and I need that to make the money so I can buy stuff like this. This is the first time we've ever recorded outside in months, and they've decided to weed eat right outside of our house. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and see how it works. Power off. This is the old one, and there's nothing really wrong with it, but it has one of the lights is burned out, and if the light's burned out, who knows what else is broken inside there. But I'll keep this as a backup. All right, we're gonna do something men usually don't do. I'm gonna follow these directions step by step. First thing it says to do is to use this code to download the app. I've done that. Over/under voltage protection. Should the voltage drop to 104 volts or below, or rise to 132 volts or higher, power to the RV is turned off. Pretty much in real time, you just saw me plug it in, hook up my phone, and set this whole thing up. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you really like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you love our videos, hit the super thanks button down below to show your appreciation. Thanks guys, we love you. Share us out and subscribe.